Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need sound that's usable now, so start by picking the best mic you have and positioning it. Plug a lavalier or USB-C condenser into the phone. If you must use the built-in mic, get close but not too close. Once done, seal the room, close doors and windows, move away from noisy appliances, and hang blankets or use pillows behind you to damp reflections. Make sure to set input level in the recording app so peaks don't clip. Aim for consistent, mid-level meters. Now you focus on control. Open a recording app that offers manual gain and set sample rate to 48K Hz and bit depth to 24-bit for headroom. Record a short test. Speak at your loudest level and watch meters. Adjust gain so red never lights. Once done, monitor with headphones to catch sibilance, plosives, or rustle. If low rumble appears, engage a high-pass filter around 8120 Hz. Make multiple takes with consistent distance. Keep notes about mic placement and app settings for repeatability. Finish by cleaning and exporting. Import to a mobile DAW or editor, trim dead air, and apply gentle compression, around 2:1, to glue the performance. Then use a de-esser for harsh sibilance and a narrow EQ boost between 3 and 6K Hz for clarity. Once done, export lossless WAV or FLAC at your session rate and normalize to about -1 to -3 dB peak. If you still hear hiss or rumble, run noise reduction using a noise profile, or simply re-record with improved mic placement and room treatment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.